Hi, hello, Namaskara. Welcome to Curious Zone 101 and this is Rohit. Before moving on to today's topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share and ring that bell icon so you can get the regular updates from this channel. Today we are going to talk about something very important in India, the Uniform Civil Code or UCC in short. This is a topic that affects all of us, so let's dive deep in and understand what it is all about. First things first, what is Uniform Civil Code? Simply put, it's a proposal to replace the personal laws based on religious scriptures and customs with a common set of laws that apply to everyone regardless of their religion. This means that the laws relating to the marriage, divorce, inheritance, and other personal matters would be same for everyone. Now let's explore the constitutional basis of the Uniform Civil Code. The idea of UCC is enshrined in the Indian Constitution. According to Article 44 of Directive Principles of State Policy, the state shall endeavor to secure for all the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. While the directive principles are not enforceable by any court, they are considered fundamental in the governance of the country, aimed at establishing a just society. Now let's have a look at other relevant articles, which are as follows. Article 14, Right to Equality. This article guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of the law within the territory of India. A uniform civil code aligns with these principles by ensuring that all citizens are subject to the same law irrespective of their religion. Article 15, Prohibition of Discrimination. This article prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religious, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. This implementation of the UCC would help eliminating discrimination based on personal laws. Also, the Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. This article guarantees the protection of life and personal liberty. A uniform civil code can contribute to this by providing a equal protection and rights to all citizens. And also the Article 25, freedom of religion. This article guarantees the freedom of religion to all individuals. It's important to balance the implementation of the UCC with the protection of the religious freedom, ensuring that the code represents the diverse culture and the religious practices in India. And it's also important to understand the historical context of the Uniform Civil Code debate in India. The demand for UCC is not new. It has been a topic of discussion since the time of the constitutional framing. However, despite being a constitutional goal, successive governments have been cautious in implementing it due to the sensitive nature of the issue. The debate over the UCC dates back to the British colonial era when personal laws were codified based on the religious text and customs. Post independence, the framers of the Constitution envisioned a progressive and modern India where a uniform civil code would ensure equality and justice for all citizens. Even Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, one of the principal architects of the Constitution, was a strong advocate for UCC. He argued that having different personal laws for different religions create inequality and results in the division within the society. Now let's look at some of the positives of implementing a uniform civil code. Equality and non-discrimination. One of the biggest advantage of UCC is that the promotion of equality. Everyone, regardless of their religion, would be governed by the same set of laws. This helps in the elimination of any preferential treatments or discrimination based on religious affiliations. UCC can play a crucial role in promoting the gender equality. It aims to eliminate gender based discriminatory laws and practices prevailing in the personal laws, providing equal rights and opportunities to women in the matter of marriage, divorce, inheritance, and other matters, and also the national integration. That is, by having a common set of laws, UCC can help in the promotion of national integration. It brings people from different religious backgrounds under a single legal framework, fostering unity and a sense of belongingness. It also promotes secularism, that is, implementing UCC reinforce the principle of secularism by separating religion from civil laws. This ensures that the personal laws are not influenced by any religious beliefs, and also the simplification of legal process. A common set of laws can simplify the legal process, making it easier for individuals to understand their rights and obligations. It also reduces the burden on the judiciary by eliminating the need for interpretation of multiple personal laws. While UCC has its positives, there are also some negatives to consider. That is the practical difficulties. Implementing the UCC in a diverse country like India can be challenging. The diversity in the customs, traditions, and religious practices makes it difficult to create a common set of laws that everyone agrees on, and also the presumption of the encroachment on religious freedom. Some people view UCC as an encroachment on religious freedom. They believe that the personal laws based on religious scriptures should be respected and preserved, and also the interference in the personal matters. UCC involves the state in personal matters, which some people sees as an overreach. They argue that the personal laws should be left to the individual committees to decide, and also it is a sensitive and a tough task. Implementing UCC is a sensitive and a tough task because it requires a careful consideration, public dialogue, and also consensus building among diverse sections of the society, and also it can lead to a potential of social unrest. The introduction of UCC may lead to the social unrest and resistance from the communities that feel their traditions and customs are under threat. This may create a division and a tension within the society. Now, let's also consider some of the legal perspectives on the Uniform Civil Code. The Supreme Court of India has emphasized the need for a UCC in several judgments, highlighting its importance in promoting the equality and justice. One notable case is the Shabanu case of 1985, where the Supreme Court ruled in the favor of a Muslim woman seeking maintenance from her husband after divorce. The judgment sparked a nationwide debate on the necessity for uniform civil code to ensure the equal rights for women. And also in the Sarala Mudgal case of 1995, the Supreme Court once again underscored the need for UCC, stating that having different personal laws for different communities is an impediment to the national unity and equality. In recent years, the debate around UCC has gained momentum, with various political parties and social organizations advocating for its implementation. The government has taken steps to initiate discussion and build consensus on the issue. However, there are also voices of caution urging a gradual and inclusive approach to UCC. They argue that a sudden imposition of UCC could lead to social unrest and resistance from communities that feel that their traditions and customs are under threat. It's important to note that while the idea of UCC is appealing in principle, its implementation requires careful consideration of India's diverse culture and religious landscape, and respect for individual rights and freedoms are crucial in this process. In conclusion, the Uniform Civil Code is complex. While it has potential to promote equality, gender parity, and national integration, it also faces practical difficulties and concerns about religious freedom and state interference. The debate around UCC continues, and it's important for all of us to stay informed and engage in this discussion. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.